My name's David Greenwood. I'm a retired professor from Kendall College of Art and Design and a sculptor primarily in wood and mixed media. Fallen Comrade is an abstraction from a P-51 Mustang plane from World War II. It's constructed of pressure-treated wood and marine plywood. The project had to be, of course, built in sections and then bolted together on site. The project is based in part on my interest in the Tuskegee Airmen and their aircraft, which were the red tails, and that's why it has a red tail. The airmen were, of course, setting new precedents in the military and in civil rights in general. And they had a hard-won battle to get respect as pilots. But they became famous to be some of the best fighter pilots in the whole war. It's also a nod to the factories on the downriver side of our state, down below Detroit, where all the P-51 Mustangs were made. The plane, I hope, has a kind of a ghostly presence in the forest. It's something that people will come upon and are surprised by. But it's not the tragedy of a crashed airplane, really. It's a symbol for all those that were lost. And to me, it has a certain kind of peace, partly due to its coloration, partly due to where it's placed.